nagkaroon ng issue yung gown. And nakita nyo naman sa lahat ng mga posts, pag pinagdugtong-dugtong nyo, kung marunong talaga kayong magbasa ng paano ba, ng sitwasyon, I was not supposed to host the MGI All-Stars. The night before the coronation, minessage lang kami. Ang sinabi ay on-ground MC kami ni Michelle. On-ground MC, ito yung mga ini-interview lang yung judges. Yung nasa baba lang. Kasi ang main host talaga ay si Danilo. Tapos pinapunta kami ng rehearsal para nga ma-rehearse din yung pagiging on-ground MC. I was there early. So, nanonood ng rehearsal, ganyan. Tapos yun, kung paano sinabi na papanood, yun. And then, tinanong niya ako if I am ready. Syempre, born ready, di ba? So, ang dala ko lang talaga na gown. May dala kong iba, pero hindi siya pang host. Ang dala kong main gown is the last gown that I wore from Daddy Rian. The team of Gazini and my team, same lang din. Even ngayon nag-hair na si Dan Foro, siya din nag-hair sa akin nung MGI All-Stars. And wala kaming issue ni Mami Eran. So, let's stop making an issue. Kasi tayo na lang. Gumagawa pa tayo ng issue. Parang love na lang. Diba? Ano lang, nabubuo lang ang issue sa mga fake news and fake stories. So, better listen to the people who are really involved instead of listening to other people na sabi-sabi. Kaya tayo, no.
So inyong napanood mga kapolitika itong naging reaksyon ni Emma Tiglao at naging paliwanag niya doon sa issue na kumakalat sa kanya sa finals ng MGI All-Stars. Dahil maraming mga nagsabi na yung intro daw ng MGI All-Stars na kung saan is suot-suot ni Emma Tiglao yung gown na supposed to be is para kay Gazini Ganado. So ngayon is nagsalita na po itong si Emma Tiglao na kung saan is wala naman di umanong problema or issue doon sa mismong nag-design ng gown or nung designer ng gown na sinuot ni Emma Tiglao na para sa daw kay Gazini Ganados. So nagtaka lang naman daw yung designer mga kapolitik at wala naman daw issue doon, talagang pinalaki lang ng mga netizen at ng mga pageant supporters yung issue na yun dito sa social media at kumalat at marami na po yung mga nag-comment ng negatibo doon sa na what if yun daw ang pinasuot dito kay Gazini Ganados. So yung maging reaction ko naman mga kapolitika ay sana tigilan na po natin itong ang pangiintriga dahil we believe na hindi po ito deserve ni Emma Tiglao matapos ang kanyang stunning performance sa pag-host dito sa finals ng MGI All-Stars. So karangalan po ng mga Pilipino ang pag-host ni Emma Tiglao, and supposed to be is magpasalamat tayo sa kanya mga kapolitika dahil marami ang mga bumilib, marami ang mga humanga dito sa ipinakita ni Emma sa pag-host sa finale ng nasabing beauty pageant competition. So, at maganda rin ito sa side ni Emma na kung saan is nagpaliwanag siya kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari at wala naman po palang talagang issue doon sa mismong designer ng gown ni Gazini Ganado. Supposed to be na yun ang susuotin niya. Okay, so sana is matapos na rin po itong isyong ito dito sa gown na sinuot ni Emma. At I believe naman na deserve ni Emma kasi hindi natin alam mga kapolitika kung baka yung team ni Gazini ang pumili na wag na lang isuot at yung ibang gown yung suotin niya doon sa final mismo ng MGI All-Stars. So yun po ang ating masabi at mag-reaction. So ano po ang inyong maging opinion mga kapolitika dito sa kung saan issue na hindi di umano sinuot ni Gazini Ganados yung supposed to be yung final gown niya dito sa beauty pageant competition na MGI All-Stars.
See, I'm very objective and I'm very impartial and I'm not biased. So this is just what I wanted to say, that I judge on my personal preferences and who I think is the best performer of the night and who I think is also going to have the most impact as the winner.
Yes, based on merit.
Absolutely. For me, that's all about that. I don't play favoritism. I don't have any biases towards any countries. I just see the person in front of me and I judge based on my feeling.
And you all saw that in Colombia.
Yes, of course. She was obviously such a fantastic performer. And you can see my scores. I'm like, there's nothing to hide.
There's nothing to
There's
hide.
absolutely nothing to
Yeah.
hide. So I have my opinion. I did think that Ghana performed better, but it's all fair.
It's all fair.
And it's all the scores
Yeah.
and the system of how it was judged and how the ultimate scores were presented is all there. So what can we say?
Yeah.
Congratulations to Colombia.
Yeah, they deserve it.
They deserve
She really
it.
deserves
She
it.
deserves it.
She really
Yeah.
deserves it. Last question. Can I ask a hypothetical question?
Sure.
If Miss Universe organization were to tap you to judge the next edition in Puerto Rico, would
I've already made a statement that unless I see transparency, unless I see some kind of auditing of the scores, I will not get involved with Miss Universe at all. I will not even watch it if there's not going to be any transparency. So
Fair
I'm
enough.
boycotting Miss Universe until I see transparency.
well said. Well said.
And I think you can all agree, right?
Yes.
I think we all would like to just know what happened last year. And if they really stand by their results, they should be able to just release the scores. So,
Exactly.
yeah, that's all I'm
Exactly.
saying. I think it's fair to everybody.
Alright. Thank you, Miss Natalie.
And to you.
This precious, this 11 minutes is precious to
Oh.
all of us pageant fans. You don't know how happy to be given an audience
Oh, I'm so
with
glad.
you right now. Thank you so much. Okay.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me on your beautiful channel,
Yeah.
and I'm always here to support.
Yeah. Sash Factor from the Philippines now.
Dash Factor!
So-
Yay!
Every time you raise that you remind me of your crowning moment.
I know, it's my signature pose, the winning pose.
Thank you so much, Natalie Mo. Muchas gracias.